Okay, okay, students. So last time we have started with the chapter number 4, safety. Uh, Chapter number 4. This chapter is called as safety management. Now, what is a safety management? First of all, we will see the what is a safety management system. It is called as SMS. So SMS is a continuous process that reduces hazards and prevents the accidents. As it is a continuous process, it protects the health and safety of the employees and should be integrated into everyday process throughout the organization. Safety management is comprehensive management system designated to manage the safety element in the workplace. The safety related to the electricity, petrochemical, this SMS is used in industries that manages the significant safety risk, including the aviation, petroleum industry, chemical industry, electricity generation, and others. So workplace safety is so important that for every industry, because workers desire to work a safe and well protected environment. Healthy and safety workplace is essential for all industry in order to promote the well-being of both employees and employers. So first of all, we will see the general safety norms for industrial units to prevent we can see the preventive measures. While working in any industry, we should aware about the safety norms to be followed for everyone's safety. Following are some of the safety rules to keep in mind while working in industry. Okay, so first one, general safety rules norms. Be sure you know how to perform the job and perform it safely. As a worker, everyone or the worker working on that machine should be very well known how to perform the job and perform it safely. Second, be sure you know its hazard and how to protect yourself, like head protection, eyes protection, face protection, hearing protections. Okay. Then third one, report all near misses, incidents, injuries and illness immediately. कुठल्याही प्रकारचे जर इन्सिडेंट झाले, इंजुरीज झाल्या तर you have to report it immediately to the higher authority. Fourth one, wear the required personal protective equipment. We generally called it PPE kit. So PPE kit is necessary for the job during the welding and working on the cutting tools. Always work clear of suspended loads, that is head and foot protection. Always wear helmet and always wear the safety shoes for your foot protection. Inform supervisors of unsafe condition. If there are some unsafe condition on the shop floor where you are working, please inform it to the higher authorities or your supervisors. Use equipment, machines and tool properly. Example, hand tools, portable power tools, tool safety, use equipment, machine and tool properly. Wear safety equipments like protective clothing and personal hygiene. Prevent slip and trips. Keep work areas, emergency exit clear. Eliminate fire hazards. Avoid tracking hazardous materials. Lockout of energy sources. Norms to use compressed gas cylinders. Then avoid lack of oxygen on a space that could cause immediate respiratory failure. Serious care must be taken where toxic gases or vapor can poison the worker. So what are the preventive measures? Preventive measure. What is meant by preventive measure? To prevent accidents, there is a need for consistent implementation of safety measures. Some of the important safety measures helpful for preventing the accidents are safe workplace and working condition. A good layout includes sufficient space for the movement of worker, non-skid type of floors. It reduces noise level. Some of the machines may produce the noise, so provide it some separate space for that machine. For which works which produce noise, make efforts for reducing the vibration, help in minimizing the harmful effects of noise. Inflammable materials should be stored separately. Inflammable materials should be stored separately. Machines or their parts should be fenced when it is not possible to provide the safeguard. All the boilers and other pressure vessels must be kept in proper condition. Safety valves, pressure gauge, water gauge must be examined thoroughly at the regular interval of time. Physical conditions, sufficient illumination, ventilation and height should be provided. Floor should be free from the oiliness and it should be clean. Safe material handling. So it is very necessary. Hoist, cranes, lifting machines along with its accessories must be periodically tested. They must be sound construction. The crane must be fitted with the interlocks and limit switches. The load lifting capacity or the safe working load should be prominently marked on the equipment. The lifting and carrying operation should be steady and free of jerks. Avoid fatigue of workers. Use handling devices where the possible. Use personal protective equipments. PPE kit, we generally say the PPE kit is very much important. Is used to save from the danger from the sharp edges, hot surfaces, dust, toxic gases. So PPE cannot remove the hazard, but it can act as a barrier between the danger and the user. So why PPE kit is very much important? Why PPE kit is very much important? Because PPE kit is designed to protect the worker's body from the hazard and injuries such as blunt, impact, electrical hazard, heat, chemicals, and infections. In a lockdown period, the doctors were using the PPE kit, that is personal protective equipment, which is used to prevent from infection. So personal protective equipment is very much important. Usually, human body needs protection for the part or a system, and PPE used as below. Hand protections. What is used in PPE kit? First, for hand protection, we use the hand gloves. For foot protection, we use a leather or rubber shoes. For head protection, we use the safety helmets. For eye protection, we use the safety goggles, shield fitted with the special dark glass. Face protection, we can say face shield. Skin and body protection, we use appropriate apron, boiler suit. Protection against fall, safety belt. Protection against the falling. If someone is working at the heights, it is very much important to use the safety belt, rope, or anchoring point, or scaffold is also used. Hearing conservation, protection against the noise. If we want to protect our ears, we use air plugs or air muff to close or to protect our ears from the noise. Respiratory protection, respirator, breathing apparatus, half face mask, dust filter is generally used. Nowadays we are using the mask, half face mask, for preventing the infection against the coronavirus. Okay, so these are the personal equipments that generally we need to use when working on the shop floor. This is the helmet to protect your head. This is the safety goggles to protect your eyes. This is muff to protect your ears. This is hand gloves to protect your hands. This is the shoes to protect your, this is leather shoes or safety shoes to protect your foot. This is the apron, or we can say the uniform. This is a face shield, which is used to protect your face, and this apron is used to protect your skin. Here, use of PPE. Use of PPE is necessary where required. So safe activities in the following situation. If you want to repair work on the machine, should not be done when it is running. Okay, whenever for automobile industry, we cannot repair the machine in running condition. We have to stop it, we have to work on it, and then we can start it. Okay, so whenever there is a repair work, the machine should not be done when it's running. All the tools should be kept at their proper places. जे पण तुम्ही kit use करणार आहे, whatever the kit you will use, that should be placed at their own proper place. Mark that place. Chips should not be removed by hand. Whatever while machining on a lathe machine or milling machine, whatever the chips are collected, don't remove that chips by using your hand. Remove it by using hand gloves, or you can use any personal protective equipment. Workers should be trained about correct procedures, and they should be educated about the safety precautions. All the workers need to follow the SOP, standard operating procedure. For every machine there is some standard operating procedure, and that standard operating procedure, that correct procedure should be trained to the worker should be trained about that. Constant warning, publicity, placards, carrying slogans are also useful to reduce the accidents. Generally, in many places I saw that the slogans are written over there. आपण रस्त्यावरून सुद्धा गाडी जेव्हा चालवतो तेव्हा स्लोगन्स काही लिहिलेले असतात रस्त्याच्या साइडला. ते स्लोगन्स असतात असे, नजर हटी दुर्घटना घटी, असे काही स्लोगन्स असतात जे ऍक्सिडेंट्सला प्रिव्हेंट करतात, आणि हे कॉन्स्टंट वॉर्निंग देत असतात. तर त्याचा इफेक्ट खूप चांगला असतो. ओके, तर आपण अशा प्रकारचे जे आहे ते कंपनीमध्ये सुद्धा अप्लाय करू शकतो. टू अवॉइड डेंजर, इनफ्लेमेबल materials should be kept away from the general stores at safe distance. Fire extinguisher should be kept at suitable places. Fire extinguisher is very much important in every industry. Okay. Prevention of electrical accident. How to prevent the electrical accidents? So electrical insulation should be periodically tested. Electrical insulation should be periodically tested. Use proper tools for testing and repairing. Repair work should be done after switching the power off. रिपेअर वर्क शुड बी डन आफ्टर स्विचिंग द पॉवर ऑफ. जेव्हा पॉवर ऑफ केली असेल तेव्हाच इलेक्ट्रिकल मेंटेनन्स करतात. चालू पॉवर मध्ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मेंटेनन्स केली जात नाही. यूज सेफ्टी इक्विपमेंट सच एज इन्सुलेटेड टूल्स, रबर ग्लोव्स वेन एव्हर नेसेसरी. जेव्हा इलेक्ट्रिकलचं वर्क करतो आपण तेव्हा रबर ग्लोव्स असतात. खूप सारे इलेक्ट्रिकलचं तुम्हाला माहिती असेल ती रबरी चप्पल घालावी, हातामध्ये रबरी ग्लोव्स असावे. ते इलेक्ट्रिकल मेंटेनन्स करण्यासाठी वापरतात. आणि इलेक्ट्रिकल मेंटेनन्स करताना ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दॅट द पॉवर ऑफ शुड बी ऑफ. नेक्स्ट इज गुड हाउसकीपिंग. Good housekeeping including cleanliness in a building, work area, rest areas, equipments and machinery tools. Good housekeeping minimizes the fatigue and discomfort to the worker and motivate them. It reduces the chances of fire and other hazards. जर हाऊसकीपिंग चांगला असेल तर तिथे कम्फर्ट वर्करला कम्फर्ट चांगला असतो. इट मोटिवेट्स टू द वर्कर, increases the life of machinery, equipment and tools. त्याची मशीनची लाईफ, त्याचं इक्विपमेंट आणि टूल्स ते सुद्धा इम्प्रूव्ह केलं जातं. इम्प्रूव्ह प्रोडक्टिव्हिटी अँड क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. गुड हाऊसकीपिंग मुळे प्रोडक्टिव्हिटी इम्प्रूव्ह होते. क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव्ड. बेटर युटिलायझेशन ऑफ फ्लोअर स्पेस, एनहान्स द मॉरल ऑफ वर्कर्स. Safe working methods. Proper selection of workers, training for safe working, accident prone areas, safety devices, safety programs, promoting the safety awareness in the employee. Okay, so today we will see what is meant by accident. What is the definition of accidents? What are the types of accidents generally happens in the industry, and what are the causes of the accidents?